Alright guys, I'm ready to go on a fishing trip, and this time I'm heading to Florida Keys for 3 days of fishing. I'm gonna be staying on the boat, and let me show you some of the preparations I've done on the boat. Okay, I'm gonna pack this cooler later on with ice, a lot of ice and bait. I got my snorkeling gear here, some more storage there, generator, and I got my fishing pole here. I still got to bring a suitcase that I'm going to put my clothes in. Got the grill back there, my shower enclosure. I got my sleeping arrangements already packed in here. I have my ice machine ready to go. And on the fridge, I got some beer. I got some frozen goods in there. Also some chicken wings. I got some bacon, potatoes, ham. Alright, good to go. And also I'll be putting some food on the big cooler out there later on tonight. And very important, I did some maintenance on the trailer. Check the tire pressures, grease up the axles. It's ready to go. Alright, so at 2 in the morning I'll be heading out. I just made it to US 1. Started to rain a little bit. I still have about another 2 hours to get to Bahia Honda. So far right now I've been traveling over 4 hours. So 2 more hours to go. And it's 6:30 in the morning right now. Looks like the weather's gonna be okay today. I've seen worse. A little ugly over there, but it should clear up hopefully later on. You see it's clearing up back here. Just a little rain. This is not what you want arriving at Florida Keys. It looks like somebody ran to the middle of the lane here and hit these trees. I hope they're okay. Oh boy. Well, at least the guy's okay. The guy's okay. The car's a little scratched up. I heard the guy saying that he starts spinning. He was telling the officer, start spinning. It just rained a little while ago, so the road is kind of slick. He was probably going a little fast too. Beautiful rainbow right there. It's like a double rainbow, one after the other. See the sun out? That's more like it. And the ocean doesn't look like too rough. Alright, made it. It's beautiful.
Turn left toward Old Bahia Honda Bridge, then your destination will be on the left.
Good morning.
Well, good morning. How are you?
Good yourself?
Good, thank you.
Good. I have reservation on lot on the marina for 25.
What's your name? Thank you, sweetheart. Have a great day.
Thank you. Sun is out. It's gonna be a beautiful day. All right, I'm gonna get my slip and I'm gonna get some water in my tank so I can go fishing. Some fresh water. All right, so I'm gonna get some water and get the boat ready to leave. Got a full tank of water. I'm gonna warm up the engine a little bit. And the plan is to go to Lowy Key. I've never been there before. It's like Sombrero Reef, but I heard it was a lot better. Let's see how Lowy Key is. I'm gonna leave those kayak people leave first. The sun is beating real hard, which is good for the water, I guess. It's gonna be warm waters. Total of 9 miles. Not that far. But the ocean is a little rough today. The plan for today is go to Lowy Key, swim in the reefs, and hopefully get some fish for tonight. So that way I don't have to dig in on my emergency food. That's the plan. How quick the day changed from this morning to now. You get sunshine almost everywhere. Awesome day. Gotta keep looking for the buoys. There's some lobster traps or crab traps on the way, and they're scattered around the water. All right, I'm already attached to a buoy there, right in the front there, and we're about 25 to 23 feet deep. The water's pretty clear. but since it's a little choppy, you don't see the clarity on the water. It's a lot of seaweed. But it's time to eat something because I'm really hungry. A little rough today. Compared to Sombrero Reef, Sombrero Reef is a little different than here. It looks like there's sharks in this area here. I've never seen sharks in Sombrero Reef. Pick up a good spot to go fishing. I'm just going to take out the mooring, and the spot is about 4 miles that way, and it's going to be waters over 100 feet deep.
All stations, this is U.S. Coast Guard Texas U.S. Florida, U.S. Coast Guard Texas U.S. Florida, U.S. Coast Guard Texas U.S. Florida. Time 15:34 coordinating universal time, 11:34 local. The Coast Guard has received a report of a 23-foot off report taking on water with 3 children and 2 adults on board in the vicinity of Duck Key Bridge. All mariners are requested to keep a sharp lookout, assist if possible, and report all sightings to the U.S. Coast Guard on Channel 16 or by phone at 305-292-8727. This is U.S. Coast Guard, Texas, U.S. Florida, out.
I decided to get out of the water because I don't want to get eaten by fish. I like to eat fish instead. So in the next video, I'll be doing some fishing. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please thumb it up. Always navigate safe.